Understanding intellectual property is crucial for every founder. This video will clarify background IP, foreground IP, licensing, and commercialization rights. Let's dive into the core concepts of intellectual property for founders. Intellectual property, or IP, refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names, and images used in commerce. For startups, IP is a foundational asset. It protects your innovations, secures competitive advantage, and can be a significant source of value for your company. Now, let's look at background IP. Background IP, or BIP, is the IP that existed prior to a new project or collaboration. This could include pre-existing patents, software, designs, or trade secrets brought into a new venture. BIP forms the knowledge base upon which new innovations are built. Clearly defining BIP in agreements is essential to avoid future disputes and ensure clarity of ownership. Next up, foreground IP. Foreground IP, or FIP, is the IP created during the course of a specific project or collaboration. This could be a new invention, a unique software module, or a novel design that emerges from the project work. FIP is often the result of collaborative efforts and represents the new value generated. Determining ownership of FIP is critical for all parties involved, especially for startups developing new products. Let's explore the world of IP licensing. IP licensing allows others to use your IP without transferring ownership. This can be in-licensing, where you gain rights to use someone else's IP, or out-licensing, where you grant rights to your IP to others. Key terms in licensing include scope, duration, royalties, and exclusivity. Carefully drafted agreements are essential to protect your interests and prevent misunderstandings. Now, let's discuss how to bring your IP to market through commercialization rights. Commercialization rights refer to the ability to exploit IP for financial gain. This involves developing products or services based on the IP and bringing them to market. Strategies for monetization can include direct sales, licensing to other companies, or forming joint ventures. Each path has unique implications for founders. A crucial document in collaborative projects is the Joint Development Agreement, or JDA. A JDA explicitly defines how background IP is used and how foreground IP will be owned, licensed, and commercialized between collaborating parties. This clarity is vital for founders entering partnerships. Properly structured JDAs and IP agreements are your startup's defense, preventing costly legal battles and ensuring your innovations remain yours. To wrap things up, let's review the key takeaways for founders regarding IP. Remember, background IP is what you bring in, foreground IP is what you create. Licensing opens up new revenue streams, and commercialization brings your innovation to the market. For founders, understanding and strategically managing IP is not just about legalities. It's about building a robust, valuable, and future-proof business.